connect to the Naudio complex and transmit 15-dimensional frequencies or override codes. Now this hand is going to be plugged into this machine that is in the astral realm, that is a transmission, a frequency transmission device. And then this hand is going to be either working manually inside the body, like right now I can just place my hand in the heart and then pulsate really, really high frequencies. And then be working with this one that's sending specific codes into the Naudio complex, communicating directly with the motherboard of the electromagnetic template. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hand down so it can relax. Let's go ahead and target the Jehovian seals and transmit raw Vega codes, or very, very high override codes. Let's go ahead and access the reversed fire letters and begin to override that program. The reverse fire letters are an essential, essential element in DNA assimilation and DNA strand fusion. They basically are on specific points of the axi-tonal line circuitry, which is basically the wiring in between each chakra, where the chakras actually project from. Beautiful. What I did there was I just hit the tailbone. So let's go ahead and work with some high frequency spine infusions. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and access the spine in a three-dimensional projection. So right now it's above my hand, almost rotating in this clockwise motion. I can access any point in the spine. Let's go ahead and access the middle of the back. Now the upper back. Let's reverse any karmic imprint within the heart space. And let's also really optimize the synthesization of the masculine and feminine energies in the heart. Let's upgrade that synthesizer. Perfect. The response was so simultaneously to that command. I just targeted the throat. Let's go ahead and target any suppressed emotions, any unprocessed emotions in the lower back, and any disassociated emotions at the feet. So go ahead and just work with the spine again, and basically collapse any low frequency patterns within the crystallized template of the spine. And let's go ahead and now recode it with Christ coding. Now let's reharmonize 432 Hz to the spine. Let's target the personal Stargate system. Access it. Now let's transmit override codes to any distortion within the microtree of life grid, or the personal Stargate system within us. Go to the first signet below the feet. Let's go to the first signet right below the navel. Right, I just went to the second, which is adjacent from, or excuse me, the third, which is adjacent from the second. So right here. Then the fourth is here and the fifth is there. So let's continue to work with the third, which is basically going to be the Earth Stargate. Let's go to the fourth Stargate, or fourth signet within the microtree of life.